Hi guys, this is Rahul and you're welcome to gomahamaya.com. In this beautiful tutorial, I'm going to teach you about Google Ads Transparency Center. Google bought this platform to create more transparency between the ads of your competitors and your ads. Now you can check all the ads run by your competitor inside the Google, and you can run similar ads to target the audience, and it will improve your audience quality and it will increase your sale. So Google brought this tool to give you more flexibility and more enhancement to improve your business. So this tool similarly works to the Facebook ads library, where you can check the ads run by your competitors. Here also you can search ads run by your competitors or by their name. So they haven't made based on the keywords. Is basically based on advertiser and the website name. So you need to know the website name of your competitor. Either you should know by which name they register their company and by which name they are running the ads. So if they are running in agency, in that case you might get an issue. So you will fail to search using this tool. So we have one more best option, that is go to Google search. And let's assume I'll search for DLF flats. So the people, those who are running the ads, we will click on the small three icons you can see here, and there is an option to know about the advertiser. And the advertiser name you can see is Suraj Singh and the location in India. You can see more ads, whatever he is running ads, you can see the ads. And when you click on that, you'll get redirected to Google Ads Transparency Center, and now you'll be able to see all the ads run by Suraj Singh. Legal name is Suraj Singh, and there are like total 13 ads run by him. So you can check based on the country and the format they are targeting. Currently the number of ads is not much, so I know where he's targeting and I know his format, what the format he's trying to target the audience. Next option we have is what about the display ads? This is all about search ads. So when you talk about the display ads of the YouTube, so let me take you to the YouTube page, and here you can see someone is showing a video ads, and there you'll see a small icon like this, My Ad Center. Or if you hover over this, there's a small icon which tell you My Ad Center. So wherever you'll click, you'll see about this advertiser. So if you click on more ads, you'll come to know this ad is run by Interbit Software Private Limited. So I'm going to search and save in my list. So these are my competitors. Instead of every time searching, you can search through the net and save the list. Go to Ad Transparency Center and search by their name, and you'll see your competitors. Now you can add filters based on the location and the format. So I'm going back to this step, and there I want to see what kind of ad he is targeting. Let's assume I want to see like what are the images ad he is targeting. So there's approximately 600 ads he's targeting now. And if I'll cancel this, I'll go to another format. I want to see how many videos ad he is targeting now. So I'll scroll down and I'll click on any of the ads. And if I'll click on the ad,
that built Facebook Messenger.
So you can see how these ads are performing and what kind of ad this is all about. Next, go back, and next option we have is cancel this and search based on the time. We want to see what are the latest ads. So if I click on the time, you can see I choose for today. If I'll click on OK, then I can see there's only 74 ads running from this particular company, and all the versions of that I'll be able to see it. Next option, you can filter based on the country, and next option you can filter based on the image, text or the videos. And next option we have is display ads. What about the display ads? So it's my website, that is trysideprice.com, and there if you'll go to it, you'll see some of the ads. So there option we have is like about Ad Center. I shown you that already inside the Google Ads. Click on Void this ads. So there we have option to see more from this advertiser. You can copy the name, SEMrush INC, location we know. I'll click on this. First I'll filter based on time because it takes from the starting period. So I don't want that. I want the latest one. Then instead of India, I'll go ahead with the United States because they're basically from United States. And inside United States, they are running 96 ads. And now you can filter based on the format. If you want to know more about the ads, you need to click on that particular ads to see their behavior, how they are targeting. And you can store their name in case if they are your competitors. Last option we have is here to learn how to filter now. Now I'm going to search based on hosting. So hosting company's name will be coming here. Like what are the domain which is having a name hosting, or the advertiser name having related to hosting. So their names comes here. So it's quite tricky. So it's better go ahead with either search option, or you can go ahead with their YouTube ads, or you can go ahead with their display ads. So they basically do retargeting, and retargeting is the best way to find your competitors' work. You click on it, go with this, say what is this about, click on more ads by your competitors. Now check all their details. Only this much was there inside Google Ads Transparency Center. I hope you find this video useful. If you did, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more further updates. Thank you.